Hi, I'm Anita Potter from Needles and Hooks, and I got a package. So I'm going to open said package. And this comes from Juan the Yarn Addict. Let me get my chair set. Yeah, I'm a member of his channel, an official yarn addict. So they had a drawing for the share box. So he started doing the share boxes. When was this? August. So, and I got one. When he was doing the drawing, I'm all like watching the video, and I'm like, not it. And it wasn't me the first time. I was like, all right, see, I knew it. And he goes to pick the second one, and I'm going, not it. And I was it. So I was like super excited, super happy. I have not opened it yet. I'm going to do that now. So I only have a smattering of what is in this box. But I don't know what all is in this box, and I need trying not to stab myself. There we go. That's one side. Would have opened this up beforehand, but then I wouldn't have been able to stop myself from looking inside. So this is, oh my goodness. This is taped really, really well. All right, there we go. That's one side. Nope. So this is the first time I'm opening any kind of thing that isn't like a yarn haul, and I get yarn tomorrow. So I'm gonna set this. Well, I'm gonna set it on the ground because I don't have space over here. So I'm gonna fix my glasses because they're falling off my face. I'm gonna open it up. Oh. Oh my. Okay. Cardboard. Wing. From Juan. This is getting framed. Dear Anita, congrats on winning the first show and share box. I hope you enjoy all the yummy yarns and things I've enclosed. Enjoy. Sending huge yarny, is that yarny hugs, Juan the Yarn Addict. Fun. Yes, I'm gonna frame that. So, what's in the box? We have Serenity yarn. I don't know what this is. This is a lot of stuff I never have had. It's 100% acrylic. I don't know how many. It's 3.57 ounces. So, okie dokie. Okay, what is this? Ooh. Pioneer Woman acrylic yarn cake. Oh, this is so pretty. How many ounces is this? I have no idea. I've heard of this yarn, but I've never had it. So I'm getting yarns I've not otherwise had in my possession. Where is the yardage? I have no idea. Oh, duh. On the label right there. 312 yards, 5.3 ounces. Okay. And another, ooh, what's this? Oh, oh, nice. It's a Karen macchiato cake. Sweet. It is, oh, it's 8 ounces? Wow. 481 yards. It's a bulky number 5? Okie dokie. I can't wait to do stuff with all this stuff. I'm super excited. Oh, this is nice and soft. Red Heart Unforgettable. What is... Oh, it doesn't look like a 4. It might be a 4. I've never had this yarn before. I've seen it, but I've never gotten it. And now I have it. That's so cool. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is alpaca and wool. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I have 2 of these. I have 2 of them in purple. So I don't know what this is. It says do not bleach, hand wash, normal, shade dry. Okay, that's new to me. It's 70% alpaca and 30% wool. And I've never, this actually feels better because I'm not allergic to wool, but 100% wool, I don't like the feel of it in my fingers, but this doesn't feel like that at all. So, ooh, I can't wait. Let's see. Oh, another unforgettable. Wait, what colorway was this? One. Heirloom. Is this also Heirloom? And I have another one. It's Meadow. So that's cool. Yay. Oh my god. Yes. I got a Juan scrap cake. Awesome. This is so cool. Yay. Fun. Let me set that over there out of the way. I got a misfit yarn. Oh, Karen Bliss. Yeah, I've got some misfits of my own. What is this? Is it eyelash? Or is it just fuzzy fuzzy? It's fuzzy fuzzy. I'm gonna make something out of this fuzzy fuzzy. I will knit it. I can't crochet it because with fun fur and stuff like this, you can't really crochet it because you won't be able to see your stitches to go back in to like work it. But I can knit with this. So that's good. That's hilarious. Oof. More Pioneer Woman acrylic. What color are you? Blue. What is this? Let me see what this is. Oh, it's a light 3, so it's a DK yarn. Cool, cool. Oh, and this one, I've been, like, this is the only thing I knew was in this box, which is this. It's 100 grams. What is it? Paint Box DK. Is it Robin? Yeah, Robin Paint Box DK. This one I'm excited for. I don't know what to do with it. It's like sunrise in a ball of yarn. How many ounces is this? I don't know. I'm not used to all these different yarn labels. Oh, it's 100 grams. Where is this from? Oh, it's from England. Sweet. All right. I'm surrounded in yarn. Oh, and there's some other stuff in the bottom. I don't know what those are. More misfit yarn. That's super fun. Also, we'll knit with this. You're going to have to ignore the noise in the background. This is so cool. Angel hair. So, Joanne Angel hair yarn is what color is it? I have no idea. Beige. Maybe I can put these misfits together. All right. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is cool. It's a little kit. Has some stitch holders, stitch markers. I don't know what this other thing. I don't know. There's something hiding behind the label, but I can't tell what it is. There's a tape measure in there too. I can't tell. Does it say what's in here? Okay. Plastic yarn needle, metal yarn needle, tape measure, stitch holders, cable stitch holders, open stitch markers, locking stitch markers, and 20 bulb pins. I don't know what a bulb pin is. Maybe that's what those are. Maybe they look like safety pins. I'll crack it open later and figure that out. And there's a book. Advanced Crochet Stitches and Patterns. Yay! Oh, I'm going to be all up in this book here in a little while. I'm running out of space. All right. I have no idea what this is. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Yeah. Is it Off-Hire Company? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. So I guess I'm going to pull the little... That's so cute. Oh my god. Wow. It's a crochet hook. Is it acrylic? I don't know. I have no idea, but this is so cool. I can't wait to test this out. It's a 6mm size J. Ah! And that concludes the box of goodies that I got. So I'm going to put this back in its container here. Keep it safe. So this has been fun. I will have a yarn haul tomorrow because I bought all the yarn I needed for my temperature blankets that I'm going to do next year. 1 knit, 1 crochet. And we're going to do those as a knit and crochet along. And as soon as it gets closer to the time where it needs to where we get started, I'll show you my plans for doing both of them. So this has been just awesome. I can't wait to start using all this stuff. It's so much fun. I can't wait. All right, that's enough like gloating, bragging, but I'm just super excited. This is just awesome. It's like a lot of this stuff is yarn I would never buy for myself, but I'm like, wow. Thank you so much, Juan. It's been a privilege to be a member of your channel, and this is great. I can't wait. All right, I'm gonna shush. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.